Hello again, this is Captain John with another one of my video tips of the week. In today's video tip, I'm going to show you 7 ways to make sail handling safer and easier throughout the new sailing season. When tacking, wait for the bow of the boat to pass through the eye of the wind and the general leech to pass the new leeward shrouds. Then sheet in hard to set the sail to perfection. Before jobbing your boat, pull in the boom with the main sheet close to the center line. This reduces the possibility of damage to your boat or injury to your sailing crew or partner from a swinging boom during a jibe. As soon as you make the jibe, ease the main sheet fast and smooth so that the boom lies within an inch or two of the new shrouds. Show your sailing crew or partner how to look over the shoulder and pick a point ashore before they make the tack or jibe. That way, as soon as they come out of the tack or jibe, they'll have a good reference point to help them settle onto the new course. Use 5 easy steps to show your crew how to grind on a winch without back injury and to make the most of this mechanical device. Hover over the center of the winch drum so that you can look down at the drum. Keep your back straight. Bend your knees slightly, then insert the winch handle and watch the sail as you grind on the sheet. If you have tailtails installed on the left of your Genoa, trim the sail until both tailtails flow in a V pattern. Check the traveler stops on your traveler track. Make sure that they are set so that they hold the main sheet traveler car in place so that it does not slide after you tack or jibe. This can help prevent damage to gear or injury to your sailing crew. If beating to windward and you or the sailing crew need to go forward, slow the boat. Sail into a close reach, then ease the main sheet just enough to get the forward part of the main to luff. This depowers the sail and the foredeck will be drier and safer. Furl your Genoa or change headsails in a wind shadow. Fall off to a deep broad reach and your main will block the wind from the fore triangle area. Now you can furl your Genoa or change headsails with ease. Now you know 7 ways to make sail handling safer and easier throughout the sailing season. This is Captain John, and this has been another one of my video tips of the week. Find more sailing tips and techniques on www.skippertips.com.